In today's video, I'll be doing a hair review plus install of the LUVMEHAIR's 13x5 lace bob unit. So if you are interested, then stay tuned to the end of this video. So to start off with the unboxing, it came with a baggie. Of course, this is what you're gonna put your wig in. Edge brush, wig clip. I am not sure what this is, but let me open it to find out really quick. I'm gonna guess this is a headband. The texture is kind of weird, but yeah, this is a headband. And then it came with this user's guide. So it is in one of these little nets. Of course, you guys know this is to keep the wig fresh and to also keep it from getting tangled and stuff like that. The scalp is given already. I have not even added any foundation to it, but the scalp is given already. This is fresh out the box, baby. Fresh out the box. And I'm gonna be using this brownish wig cap that they gave me in the bag. I cut my hair into a bob, and where's my brush? Damn near can't even fit into a ponytail, but hopefully I can get there in about 6 months or so, because this ain't it. But I'm just gonna put it into a low ponytail. I'm not gonna do no braids or nothing for this, because honestly I don't care to do all of that. It's just unnecessary to me. So I'm going to pop open the wig cap that they gave me, and I'm not gonna put any foundation on this. I'm gonna put the foundation on the unit. So or actually, let me not say that. I'll see what it's looking like. I'll see what it's looking like once I get there. Oh damn, that was so slow. It's 2. This is the foundation that I'll be using. Get into it, camera zoom, camera zoom. I'm going to be using my little foundation brush for my powder. And I'm just gonna swirl it all around the hairline. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I'm honestly not a lace person. Like all that glue. I don't like gluing stuff to my forehead. With this being a glueless unit, I'll really be able to see what they got going on. Hold on. Hey, hold on.
Had to get away, baby. Post some pics, all in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give it, but get to relax. I want to feel more, but you ain't sometimes.
This is too funny because I really don't know what I'm doing. I have my flat iron on 380. I'm just gonna do a light bump.
I'm open, not the type to try and double back twice, but you have me running right back. I be coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to stretch it, what's up? Rushing take it slower. No, I ain't these heads on hoes, boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Claiming that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays after.
That brings us to the end of this video. Make sure that you check down in the description. I have a 28% discount code if you are interested in purchasing this unit. Use my code Nadesha28, and then I'll also have this unit linked down below as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video.